Welcome. Let's explore how E-zekiel Church Management allows you to utilize groups in a practical way. We'll cover how to print labels for a group, create and print a group directory. We will also learn how to export a group to Excel or Numbers. First, select Groups. Now we're viewing the main Groups page. Select a group, and in this case, we'll be using the first-time visitors. Select the Options menu drop-down box, which is the gear symbol. Now review the options. Let's print a list of all the names for this groups. Select Print Names, or Print Groups in this case, and go. This will start the automatic download of the PDF for printable groups names. Now we can see the first-time visitor group names in this particular group. We can also print a directory. We can organize a group directory by listing individual persons or by listing family groupings that include a listing of each individual. Simply select your drop-down, print directory, and determine whether you would like to print individuals or print families. We can drag and drop fields to be included with the left column. So if we'd like to have a cell phone number, we can include these pieces. Simply select Print Groups Separately or Print Single Column, and we can also include a profile photo. Select Go, and our groups will be printed as we've determined. Next, let's print labels. Select your group once more, your drop-down, and now your labels. Go through and select which Avery label you'd like to print from. Determine if you'd like to group by family or as a current resident. And I'm going to group my family, and I can group by the last name, the Mr. and Mrs. first and last name, or whichever option you like to prefer. Again, press Go. And this will give you printable labels determining the size and spacing for the particular labels you've selected. Now let's determine how to print an attendance roll. Again, back to our drop-down gear, print attendance roll. Enter the date on the list on the printed roll and decide how many lines to allow for writing in a visitor's name. We can select to print attendance rolls for more than one group at once. To do this, select your desired groups. And remember to select this checkbox to print groups separately here. Determine our date. Fantastic. This way, each group or class is printed in its own individual attendance roll. As you'll see here, we have groups separated with visitors. Here are our general visitors. And here's our membership prospects that we selected. Now we're almost done. We can export a group or groups to Excel or Numbers in a CSV format. Simply make your group selection as we've done and select Export. We now have a listing of group members with columns and including contact information. We can use this file to perform a mail merge, Microsoft Word or Apple's Pages, so that we can print pre-formatted letters addressed to each group member. Lastly, you can apply group filters or properties to different groups. Simply select the appropriate groups and apply the desired properties to your groups. Once complete, you'll be able to filter your group list by group filters or properties here. I hope this group overview has been helpful, and our goal is to provide all the tools necessary to make life easier on your ministry and more effective with your ministry. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to call or email with any questions. We look forward to hearing from you and to helping you again. Have a blessed day.